Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got an unbagging for you. Now, this comes to me from KnSCustomDPpens on Etsy. I am super excited about this. I've opened it, but I have not took anything out. I have not looked inside because I don't want to see what's in here yet. But I'm just super excited about it. This company has been in business for a while because I've seen this company for a long time on Etsy. I've just never gotten anything from there yet. So she makes pins, cover minders, trays, keychains. Let's see. I wrote some of this down. She does like paint pours. She does resin. She does. Now, the pens that are in here are clay pens. I love clay pens. I've got a few. My very first pen that I ever bought was a clay pen, and I used that and used it and used it and used it until it broke in half. It was my favorite pen. But I have 4 pens in here that I have not seen yet, but she makes custom pens also. But she has got a whole slew of pens already made that you could go in there and you can just look at her shop and pick out what you want. So I want to get in here because I'm just like, oh, I want to get in here. So I want to turn this over. I don't want to see what it is. I want to be surprised. Okay, that's candy. Okay, so, okay. Alright, so I love Airheads, and it's grape. And that, I love Airheads. So, but I've been talking back and forth, because I emailed her, and I've been talking to Kari, because it's Kari and Shelby, thus the K and S. But I've been talking to Kari, and me and her have been going back and forth, and she has made me 4 different pens. Now, one of them I did see, but 3 of them I have no clue, because she did send me a picture of one of them. So, okay, so she sent me a couple stickers. It says mental health matters. Yes, it does. And, ooh, that is so pretty. This one says, be your own hero. Oh, I guess it'd help if I put it in the camera. So there's that one. Okay. All right, so I don't know which one to pick. So, okay, I'm going to open it. And then I'm just going to, okay. Let's see, how do I get this out? I don't want to see them both. Okay. But, oh no, I've seen both of them. Slightly seen both of them. Busters. Buster is shaking the camera. Okay. Okay, so this one I have already seen. Now, she sent this one, a picture of this one. And because she asked me what my favorite colors were. And I told her purple and black and turquoise. And I love silver. But I don't even think I told her silver. But these are clay pens. But she did put some resin over the top of it. But look at that. Can y'all see that? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. And it is so light. And that feels so good in my hands. That is gorgeous. Oh my God, that is so gorgeous. Can y'all see this? I got a piece of printer paper here. Let me see. Can y'all see that? Let me bring y'all down. I might have to bring my light down. Can y'all see? Is that not gorgeous? Look at those colors. Okay. I don't know if y'all can see with the light. Okay. All right. So the next one, I'll go ahead and pull it out because... Okay. That is beautiful. Do y'all see this? Oh my goodness. So she asked me, you know, what was kind of a little bit about myself, you know, what was my favorite colors, some of my favorite things. And I just kind of gave her a brief, like, you know, how old I was, you know, I had some grandkids and, you know, sorry about that. My phone shut off, said I did not have enough storage to go delete some stuff. So I had to go delete some stuff. So anyway, as I was saying, she asked me a little bit about myself. And of course, I told her about Booger and Buster and everything else. So I just kind of told her, this is the things I like. So I'm leaving it up to you. And that was that. So far, she has done a wonderful job. So I love this. This is so pretty. Okay, so here we go. So let's open this one. And let's see what's next. Okay, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna hold one and I'm gonna let the other one kind of drop. I told her I love gnomes. Oh my God, that is so cool. Do y'all see that? Okay, it is gnome. And of course it is purple and black. And it's got like a tie-dye effect going on down here. That is so tough. And look, he's got on his hat, he has got little black stars. And it's kind of sparkly. Oh my God, you hit this one out of the park. That is tough. Oh my God, I am so in love so far. All three of these. Y'all have got to go check this out. Y'all have got to go check this store out. Okay, so the last one, y'all. The last one. Okay. Oh my goodness. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Y'all, look at what she did. Oh my God. Oh my God. Says I love my Boston Terrier. Oh my God. Look at that. Is that not freaking awesome? Y'all, shut up. Just stop. This is absolutely adorable. Y'all, I cannot even. I can't. That is just, I am so glad. This was just, oh my God. Look, it's even got little dog food bowls and hearts. Oh my God. Y'all. This was just perfect. That this was the last one that I pulled out. Y'all, I had no idea. I had not even looked at these. To say that I am pleased is an absolute, complete understatement. Absolute understatement. Kari. Oh my God. Girl. Shut up. Y'all. Y'all have no idea. This is awesome. So, yeah, I am going to leave a link in my description box for her shop, of course. And y'all go check her out. And yes, oh my goodness. And again, like I said, it is called KnS Custom DP Pens, and this is on Etsy. And like I said, she does all kinds of stuff. She pours resin, she does tumblers, she does clay pens, and she does customs, or she just does, you know, different colors, different styles. Oh my God, I am just absolutely over the moon for these. Oh my God, she just absolutely has no clue. This absolutely made my flipping week. Oh my gosh. So yeah, y'all go check her out. And I'm not speechless, of course, obviously, but y'all go check her out. And please leave me a comment. Let me know if y'all have ever bought anything from her. And let me know what y'all think about these. And yeah, y'all go check her out. I just don't even know what else to say but to go check her out. Because y'all, she is awesome. So I'm going to end this here. And I'm just going to sit and look at them because they're gorgeous. So, all right, y'all. Thank you, Kari. I'm speechless. So, all right, y'all. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. And yeah, y'all go check her out and show her some love. All right. Bye, y'all.